Hey everyone, Shelly Myers with HomeSmart, and today we are going to check out one of my listings over in Tempe, Arizona. If you're looking for a property at a great price and a great location, a great size, and a great lot, please check this out. Stay with me. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Tempe, very close to ASU, very close to Mill Avenue. Like I said, it's a great location. So buckle up. Let's check it out. Okay, so here is the Plano, the MLS listing for this property. As I mentioned before, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just over 1,200 square feet. It does have a workshop space just off of the garage that could be converted to a 4th bedroom or an office or a den workshop space if you were looking for a little bit more room. But let's get in and look at some of the pictures of this property. So here is the exterior of the home. Before we get into the interior, let's talk about some of the possibilities that you could have with this property. It does have 2 gates, one on either side. As you can see on this side, we have the very large RV gate that will give you access to the backyard. On the other side of the house, there is a smaller gate that you can access the backyard, say for trash cans, anything like that. Uh, 2-car garage, plenty of space to park your vehicles. The home has been freshly painted inside and out. And so you're going to be able to move in, and this property really is move-in ready. So let's go inside. So here is a picture of the front room, the living room of the property. As you can see, this has new carpet in there, and I mentioned the fresh paint throughout the house. So it's really, the paint's there and ready for you to put your stamp on it if you want to change the color, but you don't have to worry about the flooring because the flooring has already been taken care of. And what you have is a mixture of hardwood floors as well as the carpet on here. So no carpet and carpet, you have a little bit of both. So a good sized living room. So let's go on in here and let's get into the hallway and let's go into the kitchen. So the kitchen is right off of the living room and right off the hallway, but it's also right off of the garage. So you have access to the garage through this door. About 7 years ago, the kitchen was renovated. Brand new counters, new cabinets, new appliances were put in, and there is no refrigerator, so you would have to bring your own refrigerator, but new sink, new sink, new faucet, new cabinets, really some nice updates. That gives you a fresh feel to the house. You have a little bit of a vintage feel, but then also a nice fresh feel to it in certain rooms. A good size eat-in kitchen, if that's something that you're looking for. And I mentioned already the appliances that are there. So let's go into the hallway and let me go right here, storage. You have a hall closet here, and then you have a hall closet here. That's a two-door hall closet. Let's go into one of the bedrooms. So let's go into bedroom number 1. So here you go. This is one of the guest bedrooms, and it has its closet right here. The 2 doors open up, so you have a good size closet in there. And let's go back in the hallway and let's go into the bathroom. So the second bathroom. And you have your cabinet, you got a good size sink, you have a very clean shower tub. So if you want a bathtub as well as a shower, you're going to have one of both. Bathroom cabinet space, and just everything, laid out neat and clean for what you're looking for. Let's go back into the hallway. Let's go down this way and let's go into the second bedroom. And again, a good size room, small walk-in closet that's there, but a good size space. All of the handles, the door jambs, all of those pieces were replaced recently. So those are all brand new. So let's go into the primary bedroom. So the primary bedroom does have access to the backyard, and it also has a walk-in closet in there as well as its own bathroom. Let's go in here. So this one is a stand-up shower. So I mentioned you do have the bathtub in the second bathroom, and then you have a shower here in the primary bathroom. And again, similar setup in terms of cabinets, excuse me, keep saying kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinetry, as well as your sink and all of those fixtures and needs that you have. Carpet is the same throughout the property in all of the bedrooms and the living room. And the flooring, the hardwood flooring is the same in the kitchen as well as in the bathrooms and the hallway. Let's go back into the bedroom, get back in here, and let's just go ahead and go outside. Let's do this. Let's go outside this way. This property does not have a pool with it, but it does have plenty of space for a pool if you are looking for a property that has a pool or you want to put one in. You definitely have a ton of space to be able to do that. You do have access to the alleyway. That's common in Tempe where people do their garbage, put their garbage out in the alleyway. So you do have easy access to that as well. And really a good size gate if you wanted to bring in vehicles this way into the backyard for, say, work to put in a pool or to do some other landscaping or things that you want to do. You have some nice shade trees, but you also have your pergola that gives you some shade as well. So it's again a good size backyard. Here's the access to the primary bedroom. So a nice big space for you to have and check out. Let me see if I can get back over there. And so this takes you with access into the garage as well as the workshop space where the laundry is in. So let's go in here, turn here, and here is the laundry room. And right here through that door is that potentially fourth bedroom, office space, den, workshop, whatever you're looking for, just plain storage, you have it. So it's a good size room. We'll go through some more of the pictures and give you a chance to see it in another view. And here is your access to the kitchen through this space. So let's go back and look in the kitchen, give you an idea of what that looks like from this point of view. So as I mentioned, this property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is just over 1,200 square feet. It is currently listed for just under $500,000. It's a corner lot with a good size and a good size lot. As I mentioned, there's no pool there, but you could easily add a pool if that was something that you were interested in doing. Let me get these pictures a little bit bigger for you to see. No refrigerator, but you have perfect space to be able to do that. New kitchen cabinets, new countertops, new carpet. The flooring is in great condition. So this, like I said before, this property is completely move-in ready. It's ready for you to purchase and just grab the keys and move on in. Here is the laundry room. You have some cabinetry in there for a workspace, but then again, through that door is another room that could be, as I said, a fourth bedroom or an office or a den. It does already have plumbing in it, so it has a sink in there. So that's a great chance to give it some versatility and give you some options in this room for what you might want to do with it. That refrigerator does not stay. So just an FYI. So this is the garage. So again, you can see it's a good size space for 2 vehicles if that's what you have, or maybe one really large vehicle. Here is a picture of the backyard. Again, a huge big space. Over here to the left is where you see that single gate. And here we have a picture of the front, which shows you the RV gate that is off to the side of the house. So as I mentioned, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with the potential of maybe a fourth bedroom or an office space. Just over 1,200 square feet. The lot itself is 7,300 square feet. It's on a corner lot. It is very close within walking distance to ASU. Mill Avenue is a great location if you say are moving to Tempe and need a good location in there. If you are coming to Arizona to attend ASU. Again, a really great location. If you're a parent and you have a child who is attending ASU, a great location and a great investment property. They take one of the bedrooms, they have two other bedrooms to rent out to their friends, and there you go. You have your passive income. So as I mentioned, this is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, just over 1,200 square feet. If you would like a private tour or more information on this property, please let me know. We can certainly arrange something for you. And of course, I'll put a link to this listing in the video description so that you can click on it and look through the photos yourself and get some information on your own. I will also let you know that this property qualifies for a 1.75% buyer credit if they use a specific lender, and I'll put the flyer in there. So if you are a buyer and you don't have a lender that you're working with yet, we can refer you to a lender. You're under no obligation to use that lender. It's just something to note that they are offering for homes in this specific area, in this specific zip code. They are offering a 1.75 buyer credit to help a buyer purchase this property. There are certain eligibility requirements, but I can give you some more information about that or refer you to someone who can give you more information if that is of interest. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.